Well, this just finished last night, but it doesn't look so great. So I printed a temp tower. To determine the best printing temperature, I was printing way too hot down here at 220, 225. I thought this printer's thermistor was not working very well, and so I was trying to print hotter. That's what my temp gun was telling me. But it turns out I should be printing somewhere up here. Now the layers up here look great at like 180, 185, 190-ish maybe. Backside yet. I'm thinking 185 looks good.
Which temp do you think looks the best?
Second one from the top. 190 kind of looks good for the overhang, but I think 185 is it. That middle spire doesn't look so great on the 185 though. That could have just been humidity in the filament. These edges, 185 I think looks good too. What do you guys think?